Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek and today in this particular video we are going to solve this problem best time to buy and sell stock 2. So in this particular problem we are given an array for which the ith element is the price of the given stock on day I. For example, you can see in this input array, so there are number of prices given for each and every day, and each index represent one day and the corresponding number is representing the price on that day. Okay, so we have to design an algorithm to find the maximum profit. So what is the maximum profit? You can buy on any day and you can sell on any other day. For example, if I buy at day 2 at the cost of 1 rupees, I can sell on the third day or second day, and the cost is 5 rupees. So I will have the profit of 4 rupees. You can see, if I buy on the day 2 and sell on the day 3, I will have the profit of 4 rupees. Similarly, if I buy on the day 4, so if I buy on the day 4 at the cost of 3 rupees, then I can sell on the day 5 at the cost of 6 rupees. Okay, so the profit is 3 and the total maximum profit I get is 7, right? The condition here is you cannot you cannot buy the stock again before selling it. So you have to sell first and then buy again. You must sell the stock first before buying again. So let's say कि अगर आपने 1 पे buy कर लिया, then you cannot buy again until you sell this stock. Okay, now let's see one more example. You can see here, if I buy on the day 1 and sell on the day 5, I will have the maximum profit as 4 rupees. I will have maximum profit as 4 rupees. Okay, so unless and until I am not going to sell something, I won't be able to buy again. Okay, you must sell before buying again. Similarly, in this example where the entire array is sorted in reverse order, then your output should be 0. In this case, no transaction is done. Maximum profit is 0. Okay, so now let's see how can we solve this problem. So how we can solve this problem. Think about it, guys. It is a very easy problem. Okay, so think about it. Now let's see the solution, how we can solve this problem. Let's say we have an array something like this. So हम एक array ले लेते हैं. Let's say I have an array 1, 7, 2, 3, 6, 7, 6 or 7. So in this array, if you draw this array on a graph, let's say if I draw this array on a graph, I have these points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is my array 9, and here let's say we have margins. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and similarly I have 6 and 7. Okay. Now if you see that on the first day we have 1 rupee, one price. On second day we have 7. On third day we have second, that means 2 price. On the fourth day I have 3 price, and on the fifth day I have 6. On sixth day I have 7. On seventh day I have again 6, and on the eighth day I have 7 again. So you can see this is my graph. If you look at this graph, what is my graph? My graph looks something like this. Okay, so if you see this, so this is my initial graph, and from here it goes to here, then from here it goes to here, and then here, and then here, and then here. Now if you see this thing, what we can do, we can calculate the margins. So whenever we have a peak, we can calculate the margins over it, right? So we can calculate the margins over the individual peaks. For example, what is my margin from 1 to 7? The margin is 6. Similarly, what is my margin from 2 to 3? My margin is 1. I will add this thing. Again, my margin is from 4 to 6. The margin is 2. So I will see what are the points where my peak is having. So I will calculate the difference between my peak and the valley. This is my valley, This is my valley and this is my peak. Similarly, this is my valley and this is my peak. This is my valley and this is my peak. So whenever I get a upward curve, I will calculate this difference. And I will add this difference in the final profit, because that is the maximum profit I can get. If I start from buying from the day one, and as soon as this buying happens, I have to sell this, because that will give me the chances to buy another stocks, right? Like let's say अगर मैंने यहाँ पे buy कर लिया, if I buy here, so I will have chances that I can uh, sell it. So like अगर मैं इसको जल्दी sell कर देता हूँ, then I have the chances to buy this stock again, right? But I cannot sell unless and until my stocks are increasing. For example, let's say I have this valley, so I have this curve. Let's say from here it goes till here, from 1 till 2 to till 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 6. So if something like this is happening, I'm not getting any value, then I will start from buying from here 1, and I will keep on adding all these profits, and I will actually sell on the last day. Okay, so we have to see that whenever we have a peak or a valley, then that difference we have to encounter, and that difference we have to take. Okay, so let's just code this problem out, and I hope while coding you will get the clarity of what we are doing and why we are doing. So let's see how we can code this problem. So I will start with the let's say I will take a variable, let's say max profit. So initially my max profit is 0, and I will start from the first value, int I equals 1, I less than prices dot size, and I plus plus. Okay, now what I will do, I will check if prices of I is greater than prices of I minus 1. So अगर previous price से मेरा जो current price है वो बड़ा है, then I am going to add this price in my max profit. Okay, so max profit में I am going to add this price. Max profit plus equals prices of I, and I will subtract this prices of I from prices of I minus 1. So what is my prices of I minus 1. ठीक है, so this is my max profit ऐसे निकल जाएगा. I will compute the difference, and finally I will just return this max profit. Okay, so I think this is pretty easy. So what we are doing, whenever we are finding any value, whenever we have that thing कि अगर second वाला price बड़ा है हमारा first price से, so I'm going to calculate the max profit and I am going to store it, because as soon as you buy you have to sell, because it will give the chance for further buying and you will have maximum profit in that case. Okay, I hope this thing is pretty easy and clear to everyone. So let's just run this code. Let's just see if it works or not. So you can see answers are matching. Let's submit it. So you can see here that it is accepted, and that's it. So it is a pretty easy code. I hope this problem is pretty easy and straightforward to everyone. So I hope we have successfully submitted this problem and everyone got the answer. So congratulations everyone, we have solved our 5th problem of this LeetCode challenges, and thank you for watching it. I hope you like it. So thanks a lot guys.